Good morning. Our project name is Automatic Rain Detection Smart Roof for Plant Production. Course code 60WE6P3. Course name Design Thinking and Product Development. My name is Pranav Aditya. My classmate name is Muhammad Rafi Kodiswaran. Studying third year EEE at KS Rangasamy College of Technology.
The components in briefly. Now first we will see the component about rain sensor. It is also known as rain airdrop sensor. It is used to detect the presence and intensity of rain. Its key feature like used for weather monitoring and can translate rainfall into output signal. Includes a built-in potentiometer to adjust the sensitivity to water. When water exceeds the set threshold, the status LED turn on and the digital output pin send a low signal. It has pin for VCC 3.3 volt to 5 volt, ground, digital output and the analog output. Commonly used with microcontrollers like Arduino and the Raspberry Pi. The sensor works on the principle that the resistance between the conducting tracks changes based on the amount of water present. It can be used for automatic wiper control in vehicles and automatic irrigation systems.
This is Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO is the microcontroller based on ATmega328P. It has 14 digital output pins, 6 analog inputs, USB connection and reset button. It has powered USB or external DC power supply to 7 to 8 voltage. The ATmega328 is the 8-bit microcontroller with 32 KB of memory and 2 KB of RAM. It's normally used for learning electronics and creating interactive projects, sensor and activers. The difference between the UNO R3 and UNO R3 SMD, that SMD version has the microcontroller clip holder onto the board, while the stand UNO has DIP package.
L29 motor drive. It's specifically dual H bridge IC. It controlled speed and direction of DC stepper motor. It can independently control two motor or one stepper motor. The L2N9 used to pulse width modulation, the speed of control and H bridge of direction control. It can handle high voltage and current, making suitable for robotics and automation applications. Key features: H bridge control. The L29N it uses an H bridge configuration to switch a polarity of the voltage applications the motor terminals, allowing a bidirectional control. PWM control. It can accept PWM signal to modulation voltage applied to the motor. Express control its speed. This battery is used for L298N. It is 9 volt battery. It is non-rechargeable zinc carbon battery. It is normal voltage of 9 volt. It is advanceable to keep battery for emergencies.
This is a 150 RPM DC geared motor. This is normally DC motor with a gearbox. This can be used in all robotic and application. Their motor have 3 mm thread hole in the middle of the drift, making it simple to connect the wheel or any other mechanical assembly. They are very easy to use the available standard sizes. Also does not have to lot of money to control the motor with the Arduino or board. The most popular the L298N HB module connection on the voltage regular motor drive can used in the motor that voltage of between 150 to 35 volt DC.
Now we see the explanation. When the raindrop is fall in this sensor, the sensor is detect a rain and give the input data to the Arduino UNO. We upload a code like when the rainwater is fall in this sensor, the roof is move forward in 15 meter, and the rainwater is when the rain is stopped, the roof is move reverse into the 15 meter and come in on position.
L298N is specifically used for motor forward and backward direction. It is connected to 9-volt battery to the motor drive.
This gives supply to motor to reverse and forward. We connected the roof, smart roof connected to when motor roll, the roof will come outside. When reverse, the motor roof will come backside.
This is our demonstration video. The rain is not detected now. You will see the screen. The water is fall into the sensor. Now the roof is move forward. See the screen. Rain is detected. Now the roof is stopped. We clear the water in the sensor into the sensor. Now the roof is move reversed direction. See the screen. The rain is not detected. The roof is moved in backward direction. Thank you for your precious time for watching this video.